Yesterday I was watching a fluid art video and I was very inspired by it and thought of doing that on a t-shirt and to give that to my dad. I needed to steal a t-shirt from my dad's wardrobe, but being an Indian child, I'm not supposed to open my father's cupboard. So I had to be very silent. Oh shit, that is loud. Huh? Shit. And this time I succeeded. So this is how it looks. Polo neck, long sleeve and white. Let's start our painting. Stuff the cloth with hard and rigid stuffs wrapped in plastic so that the paint doesn't go through. Use cloth clips and secure it like that. Pour some acrylic paints, the color that you wish. Add some water and medium 1 and mix the solution well. And just start pouring.
Got me so stressed, I'm going ghost. I'm from Detroit, but I travel the coast. As bad as they come, what I want is so close. Tats on my arm, family think it's a joke.
But it didn't come out well. Because it was a cotton cloth, the paint was absorbed and the result was very disappointing. वैसे भी ये फ्लॉप हो गया तो इसके ऊपर कुछ ड्रॉ करके डैड को गिफ्ट कर देती हूँ. And I chose to draw a heart. And to do something on that sleeves. Okay, so I'm done with half of it. Now the other half is remaining. Enjoy the final look.
Herin, super ആയിട്ടുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ. ഒരു കാര്യം ജീവിതത്തിൽ ചെയ്തു. എനിവേ നന്നായിട്ടുണ്ട് കേട്ടോ.
Peace out, humans.